Go.
Oh, shit.
Give it to Chris, though. I'm tell Chris, no, I'll let you know when to hit start.
No, I've already started it.
Oh, okay.
Alright, let's shoot the fucker.
Let me know when you're ready.
Alright.
It exploded! Oh, fuck. Alright, quit. Aw! Damn it! It's empty. Well, you didn't get me drinking that, did you?
No. Maybe. I don't know.
That can got fucking destroyed.
Oh, hit the button again. Ready? Go ahead.
Wait, I should actually put this on.
Come on.
Shoot the damn thing.
Dude, look at it!
Holy shit!
Blew the whole thing open. There's not a drop left. Not a drop.